In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn referral bonus on Opay. Opay is actually paying up to 800 naira per referral based on people you actually refer to Opay app. And if you refer 3 people, you're gonna earn up to 3,000 naira. For you to be able to refer people and generate your referral link or invitation link, all you just need to do is just log into your Opay app, then click on the me at the bottom below right here. Once you click on me, just scroll down, then you're gonna see refer friends. Here you're gonna see all the links and how you can actually refer people to Opay, and you're gonna earn bonus for doing just that. You can see get up to 3,000 naira to refer just 3 people to Opay. And if you are running a business, or let's say you have a space where people come and register SIM card and all that, you can actually tell them to open an Opay account. Then you're gonna be the one to open Opay account for them without collecting money from them, and they're gonna earn 800 naira as well, and you're gonna earn 800 naira as well. And if at all you are selling, or you are kind of people that sell SIM cards in Nigeria, so trust me, you will be able to earn a lot of money, because you can actually tell people to register or pay using their new SIM card that they just purchased. And once they do that, you're gonna earn money doing or referring them to Opay. So this way you can keep making money on a daily basis. The more SIM card you get, or the more SIM card you register, the more money you're gonna be making. And of course, there are some people that will have already have their own Opay account already. You don't have to market that to them again. But then if there are some people, you can just tell them, all those customers, you can just tell them that you can help them in signing up or opening Opay account. So once you tell them that, if they haven't opened Opay accounts yet, they're gonna tell you that you should help them to do that. So this way you're gonna earn some referral bonus telling them or registering Opay account for those people.